We had a little session today. Let me take this hood off. Oh. I drained 4 batteries on the foil drive with this new setup. Let's see here. So I got this new KT board, which is actually like it's a prototype of their new board. Don't mind this right now. I got a Cedrus 80 centimeter aluminum mast. I got this because I really just want to be able to try some different brands. So with that, I got a F1 Phantom 1080, just an older Phantom wing. I'm liking it. It's definitely small for the foil drive slim batteries. It drains them pretty fast, but it's working nice. The waves were pretty small today, so it was kind of tough, but I'm liking it. I'm only 2 sessions into it. And then I was going to use a 5th battery, and when I went to put it in, my clip broke for the first time. So I guess I'm done for the day. Yeah, because now it's broken. So that's a bummer, but oh well. What you gonna do about it? I'm trying to, now my other clip is stuck. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that stinks, but whatever. We got only 1 session with the GoPro because I was gonna use it on this last session too, but it was an okay day. Not the best, not the worst. Yeah, that's all I gotta say here. Bye. Here we go.